Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, we're going to do the unboxing of the much awaited 22-pound heavy mug. Now I pre-ordered this, I don't know, 6 or 8 months ago, a long time ago, and it finally arrived today. So we're going to take it out of the box and see what's up with the 22-pound heavy mug. The box is heavy and it kind of moving around in there, so let's open it up. Okay, comes in its own other box right there. Oh. There it is in there. Let's see if that shows up. Yeah, it sort of does, so let's pull it out. That's the heavy mug. That's where it goes in there. I'll tell you, that sucker is heavy. So let's go ahead and move the camera around a little bit. Okay, so it says heavy on the front. It's big, weighs 22 pounds. That's going to take 2 hands for me to use. I'm not going to be able to lift that with 1 hand and drink out of it. I'll end up hurting myself. That's it. The 22-pound heavy mug. That thing's a monster. Out.